Choosing the right blender can completely change the way you make smoothies, meals, and everyday recipes. From powerful motors to multi-function designs, today's blenders are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever. Whether you're a home cook, a smoothie lover, or someone who just wants quick convenience, the perfect blender is out there for you. In this video, we're checking out the top 7 best blenders of this year, based on power, performance, durability, and real user experience. Let's get started. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Countertop Blender. Ninja Mega Kitchen System, 1,500 watts, 72-ounce blender, and 8-cup food processor, includes 2 16-ounce to-go cups. Motor power, 1,500 watts high-performance motor. Jar capacity, 72 ounces full-size pitcher. Food processor, 8-cup bowl for chopping and dough. Special feature, total crushing technology for ice and frozen fruit. Accessories, 2 single-serve cups with lids. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a complete powerhouse, perfect for big batches, meal prep, smoothies, and even dough. If you want an all-in-one kitchen solution, this is the beast to get. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 58148, a countertop blender. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, 40-ounce glass jar, motor power, 700 watts. Jar, 40 ounces heat-resistant glass. Functions, 12 blending modes. Special feature, Wave Action System pulls mixture down for smoother blends. Compared to the Ninja, the Hamilton Beach is simpler, but great for everyday smoothies. Perfect for small kitchens, basic blending, and budget buyers. Number 3. Oster BL-STMB CBG000 Countertop Blender. Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender. 7 speeds, includes 24-ounce to-go cup. Motor, 1,200 watts. Jar type, glass jar plus travel cup. Speeds, 7 speed settings plus pulse. Special feature, dual direction blade technology. More powerful than the Hamilton Beach and smoother control. Ideal for smoothie lovers who want both glass durability and strong blending. Number 4. Consciot CB08 Countertop Blender. Consciot CB08 11-piece blender set. Multiple cups and lids. Motor, 900 watts peak. Set includes 3 portable to-go cups, 2 spout lids, 1 solid lid. Functions, shakes, baby food, frozen drinks. Design, compact and personal. If you love portability, this one beats the larger blenders for on-the-go convenience. Great for fitness lovers and small households. Number 5. OMMO HS202 Countertop Blender. OMMO Professional Blender. 60 ounces BPA-free jar. Motor power, 1,800 watts high-speed motor. Jar capacity, 60 ounces. Blade type, stainless steel, heavy duty. Use, shakes, smoothies, nuts, ice, frozen fruit. The OMMO is extremely powerful, perfect for crushing anything you throw at it. A great pick for families and heavy daily use. Number 6. Breville BBL 620 SIL Countertop Blender. Breville BBL 620 SIL Fresh and Furious Blender. Motor, high torque efficient motor. Special feature, smooth blending with quiet performance. Jar, large capacity BPA-free pitcher. Modes, multiple smoothie and ice crushing presets. Breville focuses on smooth, consistent performance with less noise. A great balance of power and refinement. Number 7. Vitamix 065542 Countertop Blender. Vitamix Explorian Blender. 64 ounces, professional grade, low profile design. Motor, professional grade, high power motor. Jar, 64 ounces, low profile container. Controls, variable speed plus pulse. Durability, built to last for years. Vitamix is the gold standard for serious blending. If you want commercial performance at home, this is the one. If you want the most powerful all-in-one kitchen system, go for the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. For simpler, everyday smoothies on a budget, the Hamilton Beach and Oster Pro 1200 deliver excellent value. And if you want professional blending with long-term durability, the Vitamix and Breville models are always top choices. No matter which one you choose, each blender brings its own strength, helping you create better meals, drinks, and moments every single day. Make sure to check for the latest deals and offers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen gear reviews.